some situations, analysts need to quickly look up an IP address, username, or any other attribute, often with very little context. This kind of quick triage is essential when trying to determine whether an alert is a false positive or the beginning of a real security incident. In this scenario, we've received an alert about a login originating from a suspicious country. The alert highlights a specific IP address, so our first step is to investigate all activity related to it. I'll open Discover and search for that suspicious IP address. To make sure I'm not missing anything, I'll also extend the time interval to include a broader range of events around the alert. To better understand what happened, I can easily add columns that are useful for this investigation. For example, the username, event type, or device source. This gives me more context at a glance and makes it easier to interpret the events. As I scroll through the data, I can also refine the time interval to focus on the most relevant moment. Here, we begin to see failed login attempts, which may indicate probing or unauthorized access attempts. A bit further down, we can now see activity from this IP address interacting with the application. All tags and associated usernames become visible, giving us a clearer picture of what systems and identities were involved. From the processed logs, two different usernames appear to be affected. This is a strong signal that our investigation shouldn't stop at the initial alert. From here, we would continue by reviewing all activity associated with those usernames, checking for unusual behavior, privilege escalation, or file access patterns. We should also track any other IP addresses tied to these events, as they may reveal a broader incident or coordinated activity.